History is about to be made in the D, a groundbreaking docudrama that centers on the journey of the Detroit independent gospel artists and honors the Detroit gospel legends who paved the way is coming to life. This is more than a film. It explodes with drama, powerful performances, and a sound experience like nothing Detroit has ever seen before, displayed on a huge HD monitor wall with amazing sound. It is a must-see for the entire family. This is not just a movie, it's a revolution, a paradigm shift in the support of our Detroit independent gospel artists. Hi, my name is Rod Dickerson. I'm the producer and editor of Noize of Joy, the movie. And I'm thrilled to share something very close to my heart and to our city. I'm excited to announce that August the 22nd, 2026, which is my birthday, we will premiere the much anticipated Noize of Joy, the movie. The premiere will take place at Unity Baptist Church, 7500 Reverend Valman Stotts Avenue, also known as Tyerman, in Detroit, Michigan. VIP dinner and my birthday celebration begins at 4 p.m. in the Stotts Fellowship Hall. At 6 p.m., we will move to the sanctuary to experience what I believe is the most important Detroit gospel movie docudrama of our time. VIP donation includes a wonderful meal and access to the VIP seating in the sanctuary. General admission is only $20 for the movie only, which starts at 6 p.m. To reserve your place in this historic moment, call 313-419-2544, or you can also Zelle your donations to my email address, rcdickerson12@yahoo.com. You can cash at me at $RCD1220. I'll even take checks, that's right. Make your checks payable to iBox Films, LLC, and mail it to 20245 West 12 Mile Road, Southfield, Michigan, 48076. I look forward to celebrating and experiencing Noize of Joy, the movie with you. Come be a part of Detroit history. Share the joy. Help us shine a spotlight on the independent gospel artists of the D. See you August 22nd, 2026 at Unity Baptist Church, where Reverend Dr. Jerome Warfield Sr. is the pastor.
Noize of joy, a journey that'll show. Gospel artists rising with a spirit that glows. From church pews to stages, they're reaching so high. With dreams in their hearts, they're aiming the sky. Backstage passes, the stories unfold. Struggles and victories in the souls they behold.